Hey guys, Devamitra one more time. A very warm welcome and a very good morning to all of you. Hope you guys are doing well, right? So, guys, in my previous sessions, I have talked about so many things. I have tried to provide you the best knowledge, whatever I have, whatever I know. Okay. Right now, I'm going to give you an idea. What are the things you can do as a fresher whenever you are going to start your career? Okay. So nowadays, you have been even announced your completion of graduation and on your social media. It's time to the next venture. Okay, so finding a job as a fresher, you have a lot of companies in your mind, and you even got a in touch with a few. Okay, you are going to do everything right, but there is one thing coming in the way of landing freshers jobs. Freshers with 1 year experience, or for every posting of fresher specific job role, okay, employees end up wasting time with a little experience anyway. So how do you overcome this paradox of an experienced fresher? Okay, it is not an impossible fit. Okay, and you can take certain step to get a job without any prior professional experience. So here are some tips I'm going to give you. So how to get a job as a fresher? Okay, the first one is a break helps. Sometimes give yourself just a few days to unwind from your recent sleepless exam nights before getting onto your job hunt right away. It is essential for you to come back to a fully rested and refreshed mental state in order to think and prepare well for what's coming next. The second one is list your strengths. Focus on which abilities you have recognized in yourself over your academic years. Write down a list of soft skill of personal traits that you see in yourself. It could be anything such as the ability to communicate verbally or through writing, okay, or the skill to lead a group project. These are the skills to these are the reflected in will reflect in your resume as the skill needed to work in a professional environment as an individual professional as well as a team member. Okay, seek help building your resume. That is very much needed. Sometimes we don't know how to make our resume, and it affects in our companies. Whenever we are going to give an interview, it affects that. Okay, so always try to make a professional resume and try to make it with the help of the expert people. Okay, so sometimes trying to dig out your skills and abilities can be quite confusing, and more so far, okay, someone trying to look for job as a fresher. This is where you close friends or family can help. Ask them to tell you what they see as your strong points and your weakness. Okay, so you will be surprised to see yourself from their perspective, and find out more about you than you thought you know. Okay, so online job boards, you can also get professional services from building your resume from online job boards and portals where you can register yourself. Okay, so these platforms allow you to search for the jobs you are looking for, filtering searches by posting your date, experience, role, industry and location. So you can have your resume and profile boosted for better search results among recruiters. Learn tips and tricks to improve your interview skills. Okay, guys, and get advice specific to industries and roles and even other aspects of the professional lifestyle. Okay, make the most of your networking skills. Living in the age of the internet and social media, it is imperative to so have a network online. While professional networking uh, sites such as LinkedIn and purely meant for career oriented connections, even your social networking platforms have dedicated groups and pages for your to connect with people to for professional opportunities. So organizations give employees referrals more preference than you think. So always and more often uh, mm, more often that than not, employees get a referral bonus too. So don't shy away for approaching a friend or a friend's friend for you might actually be providing them an unexpected bonus. So research for your employer. Okay, if you were to consider someone to work with you, you would and naturally expect them to show some interest in you, right? So almost every interviewer asks you what you know of the company, and it definitely looks bad if you have no idea. Yes, you might be applying to multiple companies and remembering every one's details is difficult, but as a fresher, having a interest in the company coupled with a passion to prove your worth are sure ways to make a good impression on the employer. So it also helps if you customize your resume for specific roles companies that you apply for. Align your skills with the company goals. So you already listed out your skill set in your resume and the interviewer has already seen it. Instead of repeating that during your interview, you can describe how your skills can be utilized to make an impact at the workplace. So highlight any achievements that are relevant to your role, and any achievements you can cite examples of projects, assignments, or volunteer work where you might have delivered actual results, therefore proving how you can add value of your potential employer. So it's either a good interview overview or it's over. So your resume only gets about 5 to 6 seconds before the recruiters move on to the next one. With such a small window, your overview is your best chance to grabbing your recruiter's attention. So make it as crisp and to the point as possible. Okay, providing a comprehensive view of your purpose. This may sound intimidating, but nothing than a simple research on the internet won't resolve. Okay, so knowing your oaths versus negotiation your salary, earning your own money in one of the best things you look forward to as part of entering the professional life. While most companies have a fixed salary range for freshers jobs, some might be open to a little negotiation, but before you think of negotiation, you must be aware of the industry range of your role. Okay, so prepare for your interview before and after. There are lots of questionnaires, okay, specific to job roles where you can prepare for expected interview questions, but your best learning comes from the actual interview. So even if you don't get the next round, you now have live experience. Revisit your interview, study what experience and what was your body language was re-answered the interviewer's question, and refine your resume. Go high collar, go confident. So what you wear makes a significant impact on your first impression score. Before you start communicating and interacting with the interviewer, your choice of clothing reflects your attitude towards the interview. So depending on your role of the industry, go for a formal or semi-formal outfit. For example, while most roles depends on your dress in formals, for interviews with firms like of advertising agency, casual wear is actually more appreciated. So but no matter where you are interviewed, don't forget to wear confidence. Okay, so these are the things, guys. If you wanted to start your career, if you are a fresher, you are trying to get a job, these things can help you. Whatever I have said, these are the tips for you. So always try to wear the confidence, whatever I have said in my previous sessions also. That is the most important thing. Your skill set, your confidence, and your presentability only can help you to get a job, and other things are all supportive things. So always try to be a confident person, a smart person, and a proper professional person. So guys, this is for now, this is for today's session. I will come up with another topic right now. Always be happy, stay safe, make others happy, and be confident. And in PCS Global, we are providing the training in Java full stack development. We are providing the training in Salesforce, Java DevOps, Python data science. All of the trainings are going on. If you wanted to know the exact schedule, you can communicate with our HR persons. They will provide you the proper details. And if you wanted to know about anything about our company, you can communicate with me. I'm the brand ambassador of Nation Computer Solutions Global Private Limited. So whatever information you need, you can call me. My number is going on in the description box. I am always here to help you. In PCS Global, we are providing the on-job training also, that is called our CELP project. If you wanted to be a proper professional person, or you wanted to make yourself a strong candidate who can attend any interview, who can prove herself or himself in that interview, you can join our CELP project, because in that project we are providing the live project option. You can work in live projects, whatever projects are going on in PCS Global, and you can get the first knowledge, the prior knowledge of how to work in a practical project. Because whatever knowledge we have, that is our theoretical knowledge, but whenever we are going to work in a company, at first what is needed, that is the hands-on experience. And the last but not the least, the expertise mentors care also needed. So we are providing that expertise mentorship guidance also. So this is for today's session. Okay, kindly communicate, get the proper knowledge, and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and comment below. Bye for now.